I just got off of the fireboard. You might know this as the Iron Wolf back when we had in the 90s. This was much more of an enjoyable ride now versus when it was a Wolf. First of all, it didn't seem as ricky with new cows. I'm not standing anymore, so that makes it more enjoyable for me. Much more now that we're sitting. I do not miss Iron Wolf. I heard Papillus was a headache maker, same cows as Wolf. They're still standing. This is new cows. We're sitting now. This is much more enjoyable. I'll ride this again. This is our first poster of the day. We're going to ride Wolf, but they got stuck on the left hill, no longer up there anymore. But on the other hand, I see maintenance crew from my distance saying not welcome on this ride. So there you go. This is Fireboard. I gave a nickname. I called Fire Wolf. Why not take part of the original name of Iron Wolf and put with this current name of Fireboard and come up with Fire Wolf? Part of the original name, part of the current name. Okay, that's Fire Wolf for you. You probably remember this as Iron Wolf back in the 90s when we had it.